Do you know why salespeople are struggling and not growing in sales? Well, let me tell you, it's because of the mindset that they have is that they are frontline sales agents. So, what is this mindset? Well, today go and ask them who sets your sales targets, who sets your incentive plans, and who sets your day to day activities like number of calls you're going to make, number of meetings you're going to do. It's all the manager. So, in essence, your growth is controlled by manager. And that's the reason you're not growing faster because you don't control your own growth. Although your responsibilities are of the same as of your CEO. For example, take a look at what is your salesperson responsibility. It is to grow the sales in a smaller territory. What is your CEO responsibility? It is to grow sales in maybe a bigger territory. But look at the amount of money they earn, the amount of money CEO earns, the amount of money salespeople earn, having the same amount of responsibility. CEO is making 100 times more. Why is that? Because he controls his own growth. He sets his own targets. He sets his own incentive plans. He sets his own day-to-day activities that he wants to do to meet those targets. The day you realize that you are not a frontline sales agent, you are a CEO of a small territory and you adopt their CEO mindset and you set your own sales targets. You set your own incentive plans. Like tell your manager, this is the amount of money I want to earn. Set the target more than what the company has set it for you, and you plan your day-to-day activities like how many customers you should meet and what type of customers you should meet. The day you do that, the day you start controlling your own growth, and the day you start growing much faster than what you are doing right now, you'll be unstoppable and you will be reaching the heights if you control your own growth. So change that mindset from sales agent to CEO mindset.